These are the PADERNO kitchen tools that are essential in every kitchen. They were created with the home chef in mind, carefully designed for comfort, precision, and longevity. I'm Louisa and I'm a product developer at PADERNO. The PADERNO Masher is developed to reduce prep time and make food prep effortless. What I really love about this masher is that it features a unique bowl-shaped surface, which means it's slightly curved to allow you to rock back and forth over the food. It uses this momentum to mash and relieves strain and tension on your hand as you work. The large holes will allow you to create a consistent texture, especially useful with firmer foods, making sure nothing gets stuck in the tool. It has a large, comfortable ergonomic handle, which features a non-slip grip so your hand will have a comfortable yet secure hold on the masher. A little bit lower, you will see a hand guard that protects your hand from slipping when in use. Be sure to see our entire line of thoughtfully designed and inspired products from PADERNO.